Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the DISM error. The source files could not be found in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This error usually occurs when you run the DISM command to repair Windows system files, but it can set locate the necessary files. It often points to missing or inaccessible repair sources, but don't worry, there are reliable ways to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Run DISM to repair the system image. Start by clicking the search icon and typing CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, paste this command and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish. This may take several minutes. Step 2. Run System File Checker to repair corrupted system files. After DISM is done, now run the System File Checker. In the same command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. The scan may take a few minutes to complete. Once done, restart your computer. That's it. You've now learned how to use DISM and SFC to fix system file errors on Windows. Hopefully this resolved the source files could not be found error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.